The garden is wonderful. I love it.
Is there a garage?
Oh, yes. There's a big garage over there. Let's go inside the house. This is the hall. There are 5 rooms on this floor. The kitchen, the dining room, the living room, the study, the library.
Wow, there's a library, Kim.
This is the living room.
I love the furniture. The old sofa, the armchairs, the fireplace.
And this is the kitchen. It's very big, as you can see.
Is there a dishwasher?
No, there isn't. It's an old house, you see.
Never mind. I think it's lovely. Is there a bathroom downstairs?
Yes. There's 1 downstairs, and there are 3 upstairs.
Are there any neighbors with children?
No, there aren't any neighbors near here. But there are some families with children in the village.
Oh, that's great. You lived in this house, is that right, Mrs.?
Call me Barbara, dear. Yes, I lived here. A long time ago. Now, I live in the village. Let's go upstairs.